Good morning. Welcome to Sunday Safety Talk. Today's topic is about scaffolding.
Today we are going to remind you 3 incidents what happened with one of our friend to refresh your memory so that you cannot make the same mistake again. So now we will take 3 incidents. They will demonstrate you. वो आपको दिखाएंगे कि इंजरी कैसा हुआ था, how it was happened, and then they will also tell you what is the correct way to do the job. वो इंजरी नहीं होने के लिए उसका correct way क्या है. Our friend will demonstrate. So, please come in. Give him cooperation.
गुड मॉर्निंग भाई साहब.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
हम लोग को अभी इधर एक स्कैफोल्डिंग डिसमेंटलिंग करने का है.
ओके सर.
एक्शन करने का है.
ओके सर.
ओके
ओके.
परमिट सब कुछ रेडी है.
ओके सर.
उसका पहले आप लोग को फुल स्टेशन मालूम है?
मालूम है सर.
किधर है?
इधर है सर सीधा.
जोन नंबर कितना मालूम है?
मालूम है सर.
मालूम नहीं तो बोलो, मैं दिखा के देगा.
मालूम है सर.
ओके.
ओके सर.
इमरजेंसी शावर मालूम है?
मालूम है सर.
ओके मालूम है ना?
मालूम है सर.
किधर है?
इधर है सर.
ओके. आप लोग स्कैफोल्डिंग खोलने के लिए चालू करो.
ओके सर.
ओके.
ये वाला खोलो.
खींचो भाई.
सीरियस भाई मेरे को लग गया यार.
क्या भाई?
क्या हुआ?
ये बोट खींचने टाइम लग गया.
क्या तभी आराम से काम करना मत ना.
सेफ्टी ऑफिसर बॉनी सर कॉल बैक.
Yes, go ahead.
सर कैन यू कम आर्मड?
Any job?
अर्जेंट सर.
Okay, I'm coming. हाँ भाई सब क्या हुआ? What happened?
वो पट्टा खींचने उसके अंदर उंगली घुसा है सर.
भाई go and activate emergency alarm. भाई साहब ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो किसी को वेट करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Activate the police station. ERT team will come and take care of everything. Okay?
Okay sir.
Don't get panic.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Good morning all. कैसे आप लोग? Okay. I hope the scenario is clear to you all. Even though I briefed the scenario into 3 different stages. Okay. Number 1, what happens? 2, the cause of incident. 3, the action item taken. The cause of incident is very clear. Lack of attention, carelessness, and he was not aware about the pinch hazard. While holding the scaffolding plank or while removing the plank from the scaffolding, we have to hold the face of scaffold plank with one hand and we have to support it with other hands. We will demonstrate to you. Suresh, please. See, while removing the scaffolding plank, we have to hold the face of scaffold plank with one hand and we have to support it with the other hand. Pull it out. This is the safe way how to remove the scaffolding plank from a structure. Thank you. See, while we are in job site or while performing a task or before performing a particular task, we have to identify the hazards first because an incident can happen within a second. I repeat, within a second an incident can happen. Now we will move on to the action item. ICWET has encouraged all the scaffolders not to work in an unsafe condition. Refresher training was given to all scaffolders. Be attentive while working. We have conducted many simulations in RMD to avoid such kind of incidents in future. Let me conclude this. All incidents and accidents are preventable with one single step. Think before you act. Thank you.
So everybody understand? सबको समझ में आया? If you are focused, this will not happen.
दूसरा उठा पकड़ दो. ये भाई. सुरेश उठा.
क्या हो गया?
इधर मरता था.
Good morning everybody. This was a recordable incident. Material handling is an everyday activity, but one of our scaffolder got injured. How it happened? The main thing is shortcut and carelessness. He is transferring the material. On that time, he is not seeing what obstacles have on that particular area. See, this is the right way. When we are transferring a material, we want to catch on this position, but the guy is catching on this area. This is a sharp edge area. He is catching that position and he is passing the material, and he not checking the surrounding area also. Thank you, Suresh. The main thing is hazard awareness campaign. Our leaders was coming to the site and educated and motivated to our people. Scaffolding material transferring is added to our basic safety training also. The scaffolding satellite storage yard area checklist and scaffolding drawing area like this temporary storage area also added to our scaffolding procedure. Thank you very much.
आप लोग आ जाओ, हटाओ, मैं निकाले, छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो, मैं निकाल। ओ कितना बार बोला तुम लोग को निकालने के लिए?
Thank you. Well, I think there is no need of more explanation regarding this incident. All are aware about this, right? Last year's incident was occurred and unfortunately supervisor got injured on his thumbnail. The main cause of this incident is lack of attention and he was not aware about the hazard. Actually, what is a supervisor or who is a supervisor? Supervisor is the one who is having supervision and he should be the role model for the work crew. We have to concentrate in all the job, whether it is big or small. We have to concentrate on the job and we have to work it safely. Okay, I hope you all will take care in the future. Take care. Have a safe week. Thank you.
What do you think about the session today?
It's really excellent. We never been seen this kind of simulation anywhere. So this is the first time we are seeing this kind of simulations. It's more important to every workers. Actually, Equate are paying more attention for all workers to back their home safely.
So you think that you will be more confident now after this session doing the job and going back home safely?
Of course.
Safely